What's going on, everybody? As you can see, we're going to be doing another video on the old Ranger here. It's already jacked up, already got the wheels off. As you can see, the Denali, it is back there representing the wheels just nice. They look really good on that truck too. They're definitely a little bit small, but yeah. Wanted to go fishing this morning, and I wanted to get this prepped so when I come home, it'd be taking the wheel well liners down and that's it, not having to take the wheels off. So I put the wheels on that just to see how they would ride on that truck and see how it looked. Ride really well. For the price of the tires, you really can't beat it. They do have some road noise, but it's not like crazy bad. Mud graps are way worse, and they're like 2 times the price. But yeah, so today's video, it's going to be a sponsorship video. I've worked with the company before. They sent me rock lights before in the past that I've tried out, and I loved them. You know, they work great. The kit was fully plug and play. There was no having to run the AutoZone and get stuff to crimp the wires together, none of that. The company is Ledmircy or Ledmircy. But here's the kit. So it's completely, you got your switch, you got your inline relay, and there's a fuse in there as well somewhere. And then you got 12 rock lights, which have the water resistant plugs. So even if you do, you know, mess up one of the rock lights and it gives you issues, you can just go in there, take it down, unplug it, buy another one, plug it right back in, and you're back on the road. There's no cutting and you know, soldering your wires together, nothing like that. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start working on this because I'm not gonna bore you guys with this. Let me show you guys one thing. That way, if you are considering doing this, the front, it's pretty straightforward. This wheel well liner comes completely down, no issues. But once you make your way to the back, I better put my lug nuts back up. You have this here. So you got 2 rivets here and you got 2 there. Everything else is, you know, the plastic Phillip head, you know, what do you call them? I'm not sure what you'd even call them. Plastic clips, I guess. So this is going to be the only tricky part is, you know, getting this down because I don't want to break it. And I definitely, if I'm going to put the rock lights on here, I want to be able to put them on the back wheel wells as well. So we'll start working on the back first and, you know, see what we can do or if it'll even work. And then once I get everything either together and ready to go, I'll pick the video up, or if I run into more issues, this video probably won't even come out, but well, it probably will, but it'll be on the Denali or the OBS. But yeah, stay tuned, and I'll see you guys here in a few. All right, everybody. So we got them on there. Well, we got the main 8 hooked up. We got the other 4 lines for the other 4 rock lights zip tied up for now because I'm running out of daylight and it's starting to sprinkle, and I don't want to have all my tools out in the yard and it getting rained on. So I'm going to call it for today. And once I do get the other ones put back on, there'll be like a part 2 of this on the channel, just in case any of you guys want to pick back up where you left off. I wished I could get those switchbacks to work. I feel like right now with the switchbacks, the DRLs, and the rock lights with the fog lights, I feel like this thing looks so good. We definitely have to get some kind of grill light for this thing though. Even if it's just a light bar for that square piece down there, we got to get some kind of lighting up front because it's the only spot that doesn't have anything. We got bed lights, we got the 3rd brake lights that light up the bed as well. We don't have perimeter lighting for like the mirrors like the Denali has, but the rock lights, once it's dark out, I feel like those will light up the ground around it pretty good. So I don't think we need them there. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Drop a comment and let me know where you guys think I should put the other 4. Because we got 4 more. I don't know if I'm gonna put them under the doors or if I'm gonna do something crazy with them and put them in other weird spots that is not your typical location for a rock light, just to see how it works. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that sub button as well, and stay tuned because there's a lot more stuff coming for this thing. Yeah, and if you guys want to pick up the rock lights as well, I am going to leave a link in the description It will have a code in there that'll get you, I think it's a 15% off on a purchase if you guys was to go pick some of these lights up. Because they're pretty good lights. I've rented on 2 of my trucks now and I haven't had any issues. It's a complete kit. You don't have to buy anything extra, so that's always a bonus when you can do like a one-stop shop and get everything you need. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.